Welcome. This is a short tutorial on how to get the most out of Irshad AI Employee, an AI assistant that answers questions from your own documents and from a built-in library of Pakistani law. And that tells you honestly when it does not know. In about 10 minutes, you will learn how to sign in, how to ask good questions, how to read an answer and check its sources, how to work with your own case files, how to keep private matters private, how to use it on your phone and on WhatsApp, and how plans and credits work. First, what it actually does. It answers legal questions from more than 900 Pakistani federal statutes and more than 2,500 Lahore High Court judgments. And every answer names the section, the page, and links to the official document. It reads your own case files, summarize a matter, find the key dates, list who is involved. It understands English and Roman Urdu. It runs in the browser, installs as an app on your phone, and can answer your clients on WhatsApp. And the most important line, when the documents do not answer, it says so. It does not invent law. Getting in takes a minute. Go to irshados.com, open apps, choose Irshad AI Employee, and sign in with your Google account. There is no password to create. You land in your workspace. Along the top, you see the tabs you will use. Ask AI, where you ask questions. Knowledge, where your own documents live. Standard library, the built-in law library. Conversations, and usage and plan. The badge on the right says Pakistan Law Library. Linked. That means the law library is already available to you. Now your first question. Type it the way you would ask a junior. A complete sentence, one topic at a time. Here the question is, what are the conditions for granting bail in a non-bailable offense? Press Ask. Within a few seconds, you get a structured answer. Here, the conditions under Section 497 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, laid out point by point. 2 tips. Name the act if you know it. It helps the system go straight to the right law. And ask one thing per question. You can always follow up. This is the most important habit. Read the sources. Under every answer you find them. The Code of Criminal Procedure with the page number, and 2 Lahore High Court judgments with the judge's name and a link to the court's own PDF. Click a link and you are on the official document. That is what you cite, not the AI. Below the sources there is a line that says, "This is research assistance, not legal advice. Statutes are amended, open the official text, and confirm the current wording." Take that literally. And notice the label, answered, with a confidence figure. When that label says otherwise, you will see it clearly. Case law works the same way. Here the request was, please share a court order against police harassment. The answer names a judgment, Zulfikar Ali versus JOP 2022 LHC 6253. With the judge and the date, explains what the petitioner argued, and then does something you should appreciate. It says that the extract it has ends before the court's final findings, so it does not claim an outcome it cannot see. Then it offers a second relevant order with a link. You can also ask for a judgment by its citation. For example, who decided 2025 LHC 846? And it will fetch that exact judgment. You do not have to write in formal English. Type the way you type to a colleague. Check bounce होने पर पाकिस्तान में क्या सज़ा है? The system understands the Roman Urdu, finds Section 489F of the Penal Code, and answers in the same style. 3 years, or fine, or both. And an important nuance. Not every bounce check is an offense. Same law, same citations, in the language you actually use. Now your own files. Open the Knowledge tab. The rule is simple. 1 folder per client matter. Type a name, say Ali Traders, Case 3, and press Add Folder. Then, under Add Knowledge, choose that folder and upload. PDF, Word, text, or even scanned pages and photos. Scanned documents are read automatically with OCR. You can also paste text directly. Everything you upload stays inside your workspace, and the AI answers only from what you give it, plus the law library. To work on a matter, go back to Ask AI and click that matter's folder chip under Answer From. Now the search is limited to that folder plus the law library. Then use the 3 questions every file needs. Summarize the documents. What are the key dates? Who is involved and in what role? You get a structured brief, the complaint, the response, the objections, each drawn from the files you uploaded with the document names at the bottom. From there, ask follow-ups. What official steps were taken? What are the contradictions in the other side's position? Privacy is a switch you control, folder by folder. Look at the folder list. Folders marked Private are used only inside your workspace. Your client matters belong here. For a folder you tick Use for Website or Use for WhatsApp, the label turns to Public, and the system warns you in plain words. Answers may be quoted to anyone on the internet. So, Client Files, Private, always. A folder of general information about your practice, fees, office hours, what you handle. Publish that one, and let it answer the public for you. A word about what is in the library and what is not. Inside, 946 federal statutes from the official Pakistan Code, kept with their amendments, and 2,500 reported Lahore High Court judgments from 2022 onwards, each with its citation and a link to the court's PDF. Not inside, today, provincial laws, Supreme Court judgments, and law report headnotes. That matters because of the next point. When the library cannot answer, the system says so. Ask what the Supreme Court held in the Panama Papers case, and you get, I don't have that information in our documents right now. It is not that the system has never heard of the case. It is that it refuses to answer from memory when the documents are not there. This is deliberate, and it is why you can trust what it does answer. A tool that always has an answer is a tool you cannot rely on in court. On your phone, you do not need an app store. Open the same address in Chrome and tap the banner at the top. Install as an app. It becomes an icon on your home screen and opens straight into your workspace. Everything is the same. The folder chips, the questions, the sources. Most lawyers end up using it from the phone between hearings. A quick section check, a quick look at a matter. For your clients, there is WhatsApp. Publish a folder for WhatsApp, your fees, your process, what documents a client should bring. And the AI employee answers those routine questions on your business number at any hour, from that folder only. When the question is beyond it, the client can talk to a human, and it hands over to you. Your private matters are never touched by WhatsApp, only the folders you publish. Finally, plans and credits. The Usage and Plan tab shows 3 bars. AI answer credits this month, knowledge storage, and documents. Each answer uses credits from your monthly allowance. A premium answer model uses 3 per answer. 2 packages, standard at 12,000 rupees a month, with 2,000 answers, 2 gigabytes, and 200 documents. And Pro at 30,000, with 8,000 answers, 10 gigabytes, and 1,000 documents. You subscribe by email and pay by Jazz Cash, bank transfer, or Payoneer, and the plan is activated for you. Start on the free trial. Upgrade when you see the usage bar moving. 5 habits, and you will get far more out of it than most users. 1. Ask one complete question at a time and name the act when you know it. 2. Always open the official link before you cite. The AI points you to the law. The document is the proof. 3. 1 folder per matter and select its chip before you ask about it. 4. Keep client folders private. Publish only general information folders. 5. If it tells you the documents do not answer, believe it and look elsewhere. That honesty is the whole point. That is everything you need to start. Go to irshados.com, open apps, choose Irshad AI Employee, and sign in with Google. Or, if you just want to see it answer first, ask a question right now at irshados.com/ask, no sign-in needed. It is research assistance, not legal advice. The official documents remain your authority. Built in Lahore for Pakistani practice. If you have a question this tutorial did not answer, write to us, and thank you for watching.